Hey guys, so I've noticed Jasmine's online, so I thought we're gonna go see what game she's playing, and we're basically gonna go crash or we'll play a game, depending on what game she's on. So, I'm gonna join a game. Well, at least the server's not full. Clueless? What's this? And also, what is wrong with that new person's head? Well, we're online anyway. What is she playing? Okay, right. I don't know whether she knows I'm on the server. How do I get up? No, am I in the game? I don't think I'm in the game. Why is it so laggy? Jesus. Right, no one has a skin. Wow. I'm in kindergarten. Well, that's news to me. Oh, she's there. I can't get in. I think she's noticed me. Oh, jeez. What is going on? Ah! Stop! Oh my gosh! Where's my mouse gone? Ah! How do I get rid of it? Wow! Okay then. Oh wait, I'm in the game. What's she gonna do? What's our question? What's the 6th largest country? Canada. Don't know. Oh, okay. Right, I'm dead. Wow. Where am I going? Jasmine? How is Jasmine alive? Whoa! Ah, this person's flying on me. Free me. This game's boring. I have 15 wisdom. Jasmine has 40 wisdom. Wow. What is this person doing? There is a bacon hair flying on top of me. Strange. What is Jasmine doing? I want to play. Let me play. Well, this isn't very fun. Let me join in. Now. How is that bacon hair flying? Oh, he's not a bacon hair. He's just a person. Did you? Oh, no. How many subscribers does Flamingo have? I'm sure he has like over 2 million, I think. Ah! Jesus! Well, okay then. Monster in the dark. What? Oh, where am I? Well, I died. That wasn't very fun. Oh, I'm back. Cheers. Jasmine. She's in kindergarten as well, apparently. Ah! What are we meant to do? I couldn't read the thingy. She fell in a chair. I'm just gonna... Is this like a movie theatre or... Don't know. Wait. Oh, it's the map. 20 seconds left. To do what? There's a monster. Well, everyone else seems to just be going like this to it, so I'm gonna do that too. Hey, how'd that person get... Yeah, I wanna go there. That was strange. Why am I not in the round? Yay. The atoms in a molecule. What colour does it turn into? I don't know. Protostar. Yay. I completely guessed that. Sewer escape. Oh, hell no! I don't want to be in the sewer. Find a way to get out the sewer. Can't I just die? Be easier. Why can't I get up on the sewer pipe? There we go. All I can hear is Robloxians jumping. Like, shut up, Robloxians. Right, we're in a maze. I have no idea where I am. Dead end. Like I just disappeared into the wall. What? Wait, is this place? Oh, I did it. Oh, Jasmine. I think Jasmine did it. Or did she die? Wait, why are you so tall, Jasmine? You have grown. You've grown too. Why is everyone on the server ginormous? The hell? I want to ask her, why are you so tall? Hopefully she replies. I think she just noticed. That's a lot of damage. What do cats have? Extra hearing? Super taste? Ah! I didn't even have chance. Jeez. What do you expect from me? Right, I'll have to do one more and then I'll have to go. Oh, there's a dead guy's head. Oh, she disappeared. Wow. There's a floating guy. Did Jasmine live? I don't know. I can't see. Wait, I want to watch the... That was so easy. Good for you. Where is Jasmine? I'm going to run up to this guy and see what he does. I want to ask someone to give me money and see what they do. $108. Wait, 4. Because binary, doesn't it need like 4 digits to make one number? I'm pretty sure. I was wrong. I want to ask someone for money and see what they do, just to see. Can I have some Robux? Please. The hell? Oh, Jasmine died. I just caught that in the corner. Right, let's see if anyone replies. I need Robux. Please. No one cares. Ew! Camels can walk up to 90, 45, 75, 100. 100. No, I was right and then I was wrong. Well, that makes sense. Well, anyway, I have to go, sadly. So, oh, they have flood escape. Let's just watch Jasmine fail, hopefully. Joking, Jasmine, you'll probably win. You're good at parkour. Oh, no. She's actually not doing that good. Oh, no, she is fine now. That is... Wait, has anyone replied to I need Robux? No. Animals that have backbones are called flexibles for days. Obviously flexibles, silly people. Why would it be that? I can't even read the word. Yeah. It was obvious. The game just glitched out. Obviously, it was my answer. Anyway, I have to go now. Bye-bye, people.